Hello my lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. Happy New Year. Happy New Year guys. I just realized I haven't wished you guys a Happy New Year, and that's because I uploaded on the 1st of January, but that video was a pre-scheduled video, so I had already recorded it like long before New Year's Day. So when it went up, there was no like Happy New Year or anything. So this video is the first video I'm recording in the year 2022. So thank you guys for 2021. Thank you for subscribing, views, likes, comments. Thank you for everything basically. Thank you that we are almost at 10,000 subscribers. I don't thank you guys enough, but honestly I am really grateful for all the support and the love on this platform, and you guys have always been positive in the comment section. There's been no negativity, none of that. So thank you guys so much for that. I'm really thankful and grateful. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a no-sew butterfly top or a no-sew cape top. I know I haven't done a no-sew video in the longest time. In my defense, I have no defense. I have no defense. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna make more no-sew videos. I know you guys love them. And yeah, let's get right into the video.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
This is the fabric I'm going to be using for the no-sew project. It's a thin scuba fabric. It doesn't fray and both sides are identical. Now the reason why you saw that slit right in the center was because I used the same fabric for a different no-sew project. So what I did was I simply folded this fabric lengthwise and then I folded it widthwise, just like you're cutting a flare. Now from the top you're going to measure 1 inch downwards, where that's how deep I want my own neck to be. If you want yours to be lower than that, you can definitely measure that. But then the width of the neck was 5 inches. Now I went ahead to measure half of my shoulder measurement. Half of my shoulder measurement is 7 inches because my shoulder is 14 inches. Now the full length of that is 19 inches. So I'm just going to go ahead and just mark that 19 inches all the way around. After marking the 7 inches for my shoulder, my sleeve length became 12 inches. So 12 plus 7 is 19 inches. So if you want your sleeve to be longer and your top to be longer, you can make that full length or that length maybe 20, 25, 22 inches. It honestly depends on you. So you honestly have to use a wider fabric to get a longer sleeve and a longer length. And now from the top, I'm just going to mark my under bust measurements plus 1 inch. So my under bust measurement is 13 inches. I just added 1 inch. That's where I'm going to put the hole for my belt. And now I'm just going to take my tape and then I'm just going to fold my tape or divide my waist measurement by 4 inches. So that's why I folded my tape twice. My waist measurement, or my shape measurement rather, is 28 inches. So I just divided that measurement by 4 and then I marked it on that under bust plus 1 inch line. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just cut along that line, the curved line. And once that's done, I'm just also going to go ahead and cut along the neckline as well. And now I'm just going to pick up, make sure that I'm holding all the pieces of the fabric. And then I'm just cutting a tiny hole at that point where I said I was going to make a hole for the belt. So just make sure that you get to all the fabrics. If you need to do this a number of times to get it, that's fine. Now for the belt, I'm just marking a 1.5 inch wide belt because the hole I created was quite tiny, so I want the belt to be tiny as well so you can pass through. So I just marked 1.5 inches, and then the length of this fabric was I think 40 inches. Just make sure that you cut the length based on what you know would go around your waist and then some, because you don't want it to go around your waist and then be tiny. Now this is the first way you can style this. This is a lovely, I really love how it turned out actually. So you can style it with the belt tied in front and that's how the back's gonna look like. The back's gonna be smooth, while the front is gonna have that nice cute bow detail. So this is one way to style it. Yeah. I really love how this turned out actually, guys. And then this is the second way you can style it. You can style it with the belt tied at the back, while the front is smooth. I'm going to show you guys the back in a second. And this is what the back looks like with the nice bow detail at the back. So let me know in the comment section which way you would style yours. Would you tie the bow at the back, or would you tie it in front? Honestly, I like the bow tied in the front. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.